Multiplying algebraic expressions. Just as by adding or subtracting algebraic expressions, we can simplify them. We can also use a multiplication or division to simplify them. Before continuing, make sure you understand and remember these important rules. If you do not remember laws of indices, you should watch this video. 7xy means 7 times x times y. X squared y cubed means x times y times y times y. The product of two factors is found by multiplying them together, following the steps below. Find the product of the signs. Find the product of the numbers. Find the product of the variables. You can multiply numbers first and variables second because the order of any multiplication can be reversed without changing the answer. Let's see how it works. Examples. 2a times 5. Insert the missing times sign. Multiply the numbers. Write in simplest form. 2x times 5x. Insert the missing times signs. Multiply the numbers first, then the variables and add like powers. Write in simplest form. Look at this algebraic expression. Insert the missing times signs. Find the product of the signs first. Multiply the numbers. Then the variables and add like powers. Write in simplest form. Now it is your turn. Dividing algebraic expressions. When we divide algebraic expressions, we cancel common factors in exactly the same way as for numerical fractions. We can simplify in the same way as number fractions. Pay attention. Let's see how it works. Examples. 10a divided by 5. Divide both top and bottom by 5, making the numerator and denominator smaller, so that the fraction is in its simplest form. 12ab divided by 4a. Insert signs. Divide both top and bottom by 4. Cancel and write in simplest form. Insert signs. Divide both top and bottom by 3. Cancel and write in simplest form. Insert signs. Divide both top and bottom by 12. Cancel and write in simplest form.